On a chilly January morning in 1960, a teenage novice positioned himself with 764 other competitors at the starting line of the Big Bear Run, the most challenging point-to-point desert race of the year. At the age of 16, Eddie Moulder inscribed his name in motorcycle history by triumphing on his 500 cubic centimeters Royal Enfield. He was among only 207 finishers, completing the race with a bent handlebar and one fewer rear shock than at the outset. Moulder's monumental victory inspired the newest addition to Royal Enfield's expanding parallel twin collection, the scrambler-styled Bear 650. The Bear 650 is an uncomplicated, economical scrambler that merges attainable performance with the allure of a larger motorcycle. Featuring 5 unique color schemes and a comprehensive catalogue of bespoke parts, Enfield's new twin embodies 60s aesthetics. Its seamless 6-speed gearbox and smartphone-compatible instruments render it a viable touring option, augmented with a reinforced subframe for transporting luggage and a passenger. Despite the suspension being markedly rigid, the relaxing ergonomics and cushioned seat provide enduring comfort throughout the day. Royal Enfield has remained industrious. Following the recent introduction of the Shotgun 650 and the innovative Himalayan, the Indian company Invited Motorcycle come to Southern California for the worldwide debut of the Bear 650 Scrambler. The new twin from Enfield derives its fundamental components from the Interceptor launched in 2018, encompassing the frame, engine, fuel tank, and brakes. The tubular steel double cradle frame was reinforced at the steering head and subframe to support a taller, inverted fork and enhance the bike's load-bearing capability. The motorcycle is visually impressive, including 5 unique color schemes, including a special 249 edition that commemorates Moulder's winning plate number. The latest generation of Royal Enfields exhibits superior build quality and craftsmanship, and the Bear 650 is no exception. The paint's deep luster, sophisticated switchgear, and radiant chrome vie for visual prominence, overshadowing other more expensive models. The Bear, with a base MSRP of $6,849, is comparable to the austere $6,799 Honda SCL 500. The 648 cubic centimeters, 8-valve SOHC parallel twin engine, identical to the Interceptor's powertrain, generates more torque due to its newly designed free-flowing 2-in-1 exhaust system. In the Bear, the air-cooled twin generates a purported maximum torque of 42 lb-ft at 5,150 rpm. However, the enhancement is noticeable somewhat sooner in the rev range. The supplementary power compensates for its modest 47 horsepower output, while its seamless 6-speed gearbox enables the Bear to exceed permitted highway speeds significantly.